Are you feeling frustrated trying to learn to program CNC machines? Do you feel your progress is slow? Or maybe you're looking for an easy way to train your staff? Well, GCodeTutor is here to help. With over 24 hours of pre-recorded video training, GCodeTutor will take you from novice to expert. You will be programming complex parts in no time. GCodeTutor covers everything from writing your first line of G-code to programming complex macro subprograms with variables and logical operators. With courses on professional G-code programming, desktop CNC routers, and computer-aided design and manufacture. Whatever your skill level, GCodeTutor has the right course for you.